Okay, so in this video, I'll be discussing how to avoid paying capital gain tax on your inherited property in New Jersey. So here's the thing. I want to have a nuanced discussion, but I also want to say before I start this video, I am not legal professional. I am not tax professional. You should contact a legal and or tax professional to get professional advice. With that being said, you don't necessarily have to avoid paying taxes, capital gains taxes in New Jersey, because the capital gain taxes in New Jersey are usually minimal due to the stepped up basis. Now, what's the stepped up basis? Stepped up basis adjusts the property's value to the fair market value at the time of the inheritance, right? So that means that heirs only pay capital gains tax on any appreciation beyond the appraised or adjusted value, right? So a lot of times, based on the inherited tax laws or capital gains laws in New Jersey specifically, is where I work. That's why I'm making this video specifically for New Jersey. There's usually minimal capital gains tax that you have to pay, right? So little to no capital gains tax may be owed if you sell the inherited property shortly after you inherit it, right? So, uh, Jersey is one of the few states that impose an inheritance tax just in general, but that's another video. I'm gonna touch on that. But again, with capital gains tax, usually is pretty minimal due to the stepped up basis. And again, contact a legal professional or a tax professional if you need more information, which you should look into this more because it's important. Thank you guys for watching the video.